Welcome back. I hope you're ready for another episode of Financial Fridays, where you get that knowledge that you don't get in college. So, we talked about debt. We talked about money. So, what's next? Oh, income. Let's get it. When it comes to wealth building, there are many different sources of income, but all of them fall within three categories. Almost everyone should be familiar with the first one. Some of you may know about the second one, but I'm not sure if everyone has learned about the third one. But first, let me define wealthy. Wealthy means having a great deal of resources, money, or assets. Etymologically, it means rich or opulent. When I say wealthy, I'm referring to how long you can survive without having to work. Some of you might say, that's impossible, I have to work. But if that's the case, you're going to learn today. Alright, so let's get to it. The three types of income are, let me get a drum roll please. Hold up, wait, stop. Let's see what the other students had to say. When it comes to wealth building, there's three types of income. What are they?
Investment.
What is the name of that type of income?
Not sure.
Do you know any other ones?
Yeah. Let me think. Wealth building. Financial literacy.
Saving money, I guess.
Like, I don't know, stock, investments.
What is the name of that type of investment?
Oh my God, I just read an article on how to become a billionaire too.
Well, I think they were close, but let me give them to you one by one. The first form of income is one that we may all be familiar with. It is known as earned income. Earned income is basically anything that we earn while working at a job, whether it be wages, salary, commission, tips, or bonuses. These are all different forms of earned income. This form of income is taxed at the highest rate. In fact, not many people know it, but taxes is usually the highest expense for most employees. If all of your income is made up of earned income, it will be impossible for you to become wealthy. The reason why is because the moment you stop working, you will no longer have any income coming in, which means that you will have to survive on the money that you have saved up, which will be difficult for the average American because the vast majority have less than $1,000 in their saving account. Let's talk about another form of income that some of us may be familiar with. This income is known as portfolio income. Portfolio income is when you generate an income off of an investment that you sell at a higher price than you purchased it for. The stock market and the currency market are two places where you can find portfolio income. This form of income, which is also known as capital gains, usually isn't taxed as high as earned income. Capital gains is something that you should use to multiply what you have so that you can move on to the next type of income. This will allow you to be in a situation where you no longer have to work to survive, and your expenses will be taken care of by the assets that you own. Last but not least, we have passive income, which is a form of income that I didn't even know existed until I started educating myself. Passive income is income earned from investments that do not require a lot of your physical time. One of the main examples of passive income is rental property. A lot of the people listening to this may be familiar with rental properties, but they may not know how valuable it is to the owners of those properties. With passive income, there's a world of deductions that are available to the owners, which many times allows the owners to pay 0% in taxes. This is a form of income that is necessary to create real wealth. I hope you like this episode, and I hope you learned something new. If you like this episode, subscribe. And if you really like this episode, share this episode. And if you want to follow me on the grab, you could do that too.
Extraordinary is something very, very different. This is about recognizing within yourself that there's something very, very extraordinary that you haven't been trained to believe in, to come to a place where you can apply it and put it into your life. You can